Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video and today I'll be showing you how to put a background picture on your Steam account profile. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to put a background on your Steam profile, let's first log into your Steam account. As I have already logged into my Steam account on Steam, you can see. Now to put a background to your profile on your Steam account, you can see your profile name on the top right corner of your screen over here, which is Matt Boyder for me, and it's gonna be something else for you. Click over there, and after that you can see the account details and view my profile. Click on view my profile, and after that you can see the edit profile button available over here on the right side of your screen. Click on edit profile, and after that you'll be required to click on the profile background category available at the left side of your screen. Click on profile background. Now to upload a background, you'll be required to drag and drop a picture over here, then your profile background will be changed. And there guys, this is how you change your profile background on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.